Hi Gertrude. So today we're going to focus on virtual meal preparation. So we're going to make a peanut butter sandwich. I'm going to guide you step by step how to make the sandwich, and this is the sequence that we're going to follow. So we're going to use a plastic knife for safety reasons. So I want you to grab the plastic knife first and then remove the plastic from it. And then secondly, we're going to grab a piece of bread, whichever face you want to face it, and then we're going to remove the lid and get a knife full of peanut butter, and it's going to be very hard with the knife, and we're going to spread it evenly across the bread. And we're gonna do that all the way. Make sure all the corners are there. And you can put as much as peanut butter you want on there. Depends, some people like it a lot, some people just like it light. So I'll let you decide. And then you're gonna grab the other piece of bread and you're gonna do the same thing. And again, for safety reasons, we're using a plastic knife and a plastic container for the peanut butter. And since you evenly spread it out, last thing we're gonna do is stack them on top and enjoy.